Hello and welcome back everyone to our 23rd episode of ABAP on cloud development on our SAP BTP platform. So we saw our string processing and their use cases in our earlier episode. Now we will move on and we will see the control structures inside the ABAP on cloud. Control structures. Control structures. Structures in ABAP on cloud. Control structures. Okay. Now inside the control structure, we have got the very first one is conditional branching. Conditional branching. And what SAP has done, SAP has given us conditional statement like if and else. We can use them. If statement is used to check a group of statements and use them according to the need. And if I just go and write it here, that's how it is written. If the conditional logical condition 1, you can say a condition 1, this is the condition, and based on it we can write our logic here. So write the code. If there is any other condition to be checked, we can go for else if condition 2, and here also write the code, or multiple condition if it is needed, we can go for else if logical condition 3, and you can do the write the code. So write the code, and if this is my conditional statement, if it is going to check one by one what is going to be executed, it will check first this one, it will go and execute it. Otherwise, if it is not true, it will go and check this one, then it will execute this. Otherwise, it will go here and it will check this one. Correct? That's how it is going to do. So a conditional branching is a control statement. A conditional branching is a control statement that allows us to make the execution of code dependent on logical conditions. On logical condition. If and if are one of the most used conditional statement. Most used conditional statement. They are highly used for different purposes. Okay, right. We have, other than if, we have case statements as well. Case statements. So case statement is also used for conditions, conditional branching. But unlike if statement, which checks the condition with each and every row, If statement check the condition with each and every row. What does case statement does? Case statement directly goes for the correct one, goes for the correct one, otherwise else condition. So they are two different things which you can use based on your use cases. So for example, if I have to implement the case and if, let me show you. Say I'm declaring one variable here. What I'm doing is one second. So let's implement our if and case statement, both of them. I'll go with the if. Say I'm declaring one variable, my LV value 1, type integer, and I'm giving value 10. And I'm going for if statement here. So first I'm implementing if statement, then we will check the else case statement. So I will start comparing if LV value 1 is equal to, let's say 2. If it is equal to 2, I'll give here a print as out statement, right, my value is 2. Else if it is equal to 4, we'll print it out 4, or 6, 8 and 10. Let's understand it how it is being implemented. 6, 8 and 10. And here I'll go for AND if. So if it is equal to 6, I'll go with the 6. Otherwise 8, I'll check this 8. Otherwise 10, and I'll check 10. Let's see this how if statement is going to check all these things. There is some problem. What's the problem here? We have not given AND method here, so AND method. And I'll close this if statement with full stop. Activate it. So right click and go for the activation. Now you can simply put here a breakpoint. I'm putting here a breakpoint and I will go for the run as console to test this application. We are in the debugging. I will open our check condition. So Windows, so view. I will open the variables. So go to the variable section. There is the value is 10. We have declared one LV value 1. Now we check 10 is equal to 2. No, condition is false. So it will jump to line 23. I'm pressing here F6. It will jump to line 23 and it will check whether its value is 4 or not. If it is not, it will jump to next line, which is this one. So 10 is equal to 6. No. So it will not go for this. Again, it will jump for the next condition. This one, 8. No, again, it's not true. Finally, it will find out the correct one. 10 is equal to 10. So it will go and print out this one. You check. Yeah, it is going to print. Sorry, here we should have given 10, but I have given 12. That's why it's not printing. Okay. but we will get here the output as 12. If you check, I'll go for continue. My value is 12. So I'll just activate it again, activate it out, and I'll remove the breakpoint now. And I'll go for run as console, and the value is 10. Correct? I'm getting. This is my if statement. Let's try it with the case expressions. Why case expressions are relatively more better as compared to if statement. Case statement. So here what I will do is I'm going to for the case. So case my LV value 1 and case. Now I will check the values. When the value is 2, I'll print out this. When the value is 4, I'm going to print out 4. When the value is 6, we will print out 6. So when the value is 6, 8, and 10. One others condition is also there. When others, I'll print out here. None value. None value. So when it is others, you can go and check here. So 6, 8, 10, and 2, 4. Now I'll compare it 6, 8, 10. There is the one. I will go and activate it out, and I will comment out this code, activate the entire code. And let's come here and put the breakpoint to understand the performance effectivity of our case statement. I'll double click. Go for it, but before I will clear this console and I'll go for run as console. And you test this one this time. We are in the debugging. I'll go to my show view and variables. We have the value as 10. If it was if statement, it would have been checking the first one, second one, third one until it will found the correct one. So how case is going to work? I am pressing F6. See the magic. It directly went to line 43 where its value is 10 and it will print it. That's how the case statement works. That's how the case statement works here. And I'm getting the value as 10. So that is the beauty of having case statement here. It is more performance friendly. Case statement is more performance friendly as compared to if statement, as it will directly go with the correct one, go with the correct condition. And that's how simply you can use it. That's how simply you can use it, right? That is the use cases of our case statement and if statement. Based on your requirement, you can implement them. And I'm just putting it here. Case expression. This one. You try it out and you use it in the way you need it. Correct? So that is all for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe our channel. Kindly like the video and share your feedback in the comment section. And I will see you in the next episode with more learning on ABAP Cloud. So till then, bye-bye.